Hey, how's everybody doing this week? This is Jordan Johnson. I hope y'all had a great weekend, and I wish everybody much success this week coming up in the markets. I hope a lot of profits come your way, and as always, I hope you learn and just constantly get better this week. So in this week, one of the main things that I am looking for in the market, I'm looking for some dollar strength. I would like to see the dollar turn bullish. Um, I have my technical reasons behind it, but one of the main reasons that I'm looking at behind it is my background of Elliot wave theory. As you can see right here, I have my Elliot wave analysis. If you're familiar with Elliot, you know the market cycles of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One impulsive leg followed by a three-wave setback, a three-wave correction of a ABC, which I believe is a zigzag formation. So I want to touch on. I see a lot of people that say they study Elliott wave theory, and they believe in the Elliott wave analysis, and they try to teach it, but they're not following the basic guidelines of Elliott wave theory. If go pop up the original Elliott wave theory book, and you'll see there's guidelines to, there's rules and guidelines to every wave. So I'm gonna touch on this really quick, very briefly. Starting over here with my one. I got my one, which is an impulsive move, followed by a two, which is correctional. You can see my two leg does not exceed or close beneath where my one leg started at. You can see from two, we go on very impulsive. Your three is usually your most impulsive leg out of the three impulsive legs of the 1, 3, and 5 wave inside of that first 5 wave formation. So three, it exceeds one. We have a fourth wave pullback. This fourth wave pullback does not validate, it does not close beneath or even terminates beneath where my one wave ended. And then we got a nice fifth wave. We went up to complete that impulsive move up. It's followed by a three-wave setback of a B, and a C. If I was to go on smaller time frames, I'm pretty sure we have a 5 wave inside this A, three-wave pullback followed by another 5 wave. Now, this right here is first 5 wave impulsive move is just could just be known as our one. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Let's see if I can get this where we can kind of see it a little bit better. So we got our one, and what we have right here could be our two. Now it is not clear, it's not clear yet if this two is set in place yet. Remember, as long as this C leg does not close beneath where the one leg started, it's still fair game. I'm not one for trying to pick tops and bottoms, but from what I see in the market, I think this week we could get that turnaround. Let's look at it like this. Let's measure the distance of our A leg from there to there. Make sure I measured it 100% correct. We do have a B, C, D in this as well. Let's see. That's just a equal measure move. AB equals CD. Also, and this, and I'm pretty sure we got a Fibonacci extension. Boom, look, we got a 1272 right there as well. So, as I'm definitely looking for some bullish strength to come up. Now, we might get something like this pull back up into here. Before we go lower, might get it all the way. Nice bullish move up until where the B leg terminated until we get a little pullback. But I'm pretty sure I'm pulling that we will ultimately see a nice third leg where the dollar will finish higher than right here where this one leg terminated before we made this correction. With that being said, let's go to look at a few other pairs. Let's look at something like an Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, very bullish for about the last 2 weeks since the dollar started weakening. I would like to see the Aussie dollar create new lows. Euro dollar is another one. I'm looking at this. This is a pretty good trade actually if you just look from the highs of September. Actually, what is that? September the 8th. We have a nice zone right here. Nice zone, nice supply zone. Stops could be above this high and easily, target. Back down here into structure. Pound is strong right now. I like the euro dollar short and Aussie dollar short a lot better than the pound short. And that's about it for right now, you all. That's what I see in the markets. Um, come over to my crypto side. I was looking at kind of an intraday setup. It looks like we might be. Uh, Basically, what I'm looking for in this, a pullback back in the structure right here. You see this blue moving average, which is my 8 moving average. See, that's right here on this little horizontal line of support. It's dropped down. Nice 4-hour chart. So Fibonacci in here. You can see we went up. We broke this half structure. Now we're getting another pullback back into it. Now it's just about finding it's about finding a good entry. If I can get any rules in my, if I can get anything that in my rules of engagement that tells me to get long Bitcoin, I'd make us buy on this. I did create me an account with leveraged crypto trading. So, trade it just like I would any other pair. But that's about all for now, you guys. I hope you all gained value in this video. I know kind of the Elliot wave analysis could have went over a lot of people's head, but I'm very big in Elliot wave analysis. I do believe in the Elliot wave theory. Markets move in cycles. So that's that, you all. I hope you all have a great week in trading. Look forward to, I'm pretty sure I'll put out a couple more videos this week, guys. So I'll send out more analysis to the Telegram chat. If you're not in there, join it. A lot of good content I put in there. And I hope you all have a great day. Great week trading.